Should Poppy fix the net?
Yeah.
Fix the net? Okay.
You mean Papa?
Poppy will fix the net.
I don't mean it.
Poppy will fix the net.
I don't need it.
You gonna hit it over the net? Under the net. Yeah, good one. Over the net.
Down.
Down? Okay. Thank you. Here you go. Good one. Ooh, over the net. Try it again. Good. Up, almost over the net.